Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of adhesives with a closer look at the Gorilla Super Glue Gel XL. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is Gorilla Super Glue Gel XL? This is a fast-setting, all-purpose adhesive that comes in a convenient 25G bottle. Its gel formula is specifically designed for precision repairs, making it ideal for both vertical applications and detailed work where control is essential. Unlike traditional liquid superglues, which can run and create messes, this gel maintains its position, allowing for accurate application every time. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features that make Gorilla Super Glue Gel XL a must-have for your toolkit. First off, it boasts a no-run gel formula. This thicker consistency is perfect for those tricky projects where you need a little more control. Whether you're gluing a small part or tackling a larger repair, you can apply it exactly where you need it without worrying about drips or spills. Another great feature is the anti-clog glue bottle. This glue comes in a squeezable bottle that includes a metal pin cap. This design creates an airtight seal, which means you won't have to deal with dried-up glue when you need it most. The anti-clog feature ensures that your glue stays fresh, use after use, so you can rely on it for your projects without any interruptions. One of the most impressive aspects of this adhesive is its impact resistance. Reinforced with Gorilla's Impact Tough technology, this glue is designed to withstand significant stress and strain. It sets quickly, typically drying in just 10 to 45 seconds, so you don't have to apply clamps or wait around. For projects that require a full cure, you can expect it to be completely set in 24 hours. Gorilla Super Glue Gel XL is incredibly versatile, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a crafter, or someone who just needs to fix things around the house, this all-purpose formula can bond materials like glass, plastic, wood, metal, ceramic, rubber, leather, paper, and so much more. It's perfect for everything from repairing broken items to creating new crafts, making it an essential addition to your toolkit. In terms of practical use cases, consider this: if you have a favorite mug that's chipped, a broken piece of furniture, or even a complex model you're working on, this super glue can handle it all. The crystal clear finish dries without foaming or residue, ensuring that your repairs are not only strong but also discreet. You can apply it precisely where you need it, leaving no waste behind. Overall, Gorilla Super Glue Gel XL stands out in the crowded market of adhesives due to its ease of use, precision, and versatility. If you're looking for a reliable adhesive that can tackle almost any project with a long-lasting